Hey, this is Micha from Soundbridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to like, click the notification bell and subscribe so you're notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and we appreciate the support. With that said, let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial where I will show you how to involve the ducking reverb effect into your tracks. When there is enough time between phrases to be clearly audible, a significantly prolonged reverb may be highly affecting on, let's say, vocal or synth stab to create a feeling of space. However, a reverb that is ducked in the presence of the signal but comes back into life when the signal is absent is a better option. Having this in mind, in the following tutorial I will show you how to involve the ducking reverb effect into your tracks. As you can see from the project, I use the technique on the synth chord stab sound. I first applied the reverb effect on the new return track within Soundbridge DAW and adjusted its parameters. Second, in the same effect chain, I added compressor just below the reverb with the extreme settings. Also, I have added chord stab input to the compressor as you can see. Let's hear the process sound solo and then in the contents of the full mix.